This video has two parts. First part, keywords and definition. Second part, fill in the blanks. 1. Diversity. The presence of differences among people in terms of language, religion, food, culture, dress, etc. 2. Culture. The way of life of people, including their traditions, food, clothing, language, and customs. 3. Prejudice. A negative opinion about others without knowing them properly. 4. Stereotype. A fixed and oversimplified idea about a particular group of people. 5. Inequality. A situation where people do not get equal rights, opportunities, or treatment. 6. Discrimination. Treating people unfairly or differently based on religion, caste, gender, or other differences. 7. Unity in diversity. Living together peacefully while respecting differences among people. 8. Region. A particular area or part of a country with its characteristics. 9. Tradition. Customs and beliefs passed down from one generation to another. 10. Language. A system of communication used by people to express thoughts and ideas. 11. Religion. A set of beliefs and practices related to worship and faith. 11. Custom. A usual way of behaving or doing things followed by a group of people. 12. Community. A group of people living together or sharing common interests. Fill in the blanks. 1. India is a country of great Answer is diversity. 2. Means differences among people. Answer is diversity. 3. A fixed idea about a group is known as a stereotype. 3. A fixed idea about a group is known as a Answer is stereotype. 4. Judging people without knowing them is called Answer is prejudice. 5. Unequal access to opportunities is called Answer is inequality. 6. Treating people unfairly based on differences is called Answer is discrimination.